Hello children, good morning. Children, today we will be writing notes of English, chapter 5, unit 5, Blessed Wolf. Every one of you all open the English classwork. Whatever we are going to write, you need to write once in the classwork, twice in the homework. First we will start with the spell words. Write the heading on the pink line. First one, vanish. V-A-N-I-S-H. Vanish. Say it. V-A-N-I-S-H. Vanish. Next one. Snarl. S-N-A-R-L. Snarl. Here R is silent, children. Snarling means what? About to. Snarling means about to make an angry sound. Especially this sound is made by wolves, dogs and foxes. Next, rifle. R-I-F-L-E. Rifle. Rifle. Fourth one, pursuit. P-E-R-S-U-A-D-E. Pursuit. Pursuit means request. Okay, pursuit means what? Request. Rifle, you know, firearm or gun. Next, fifth one, descend. D-E-S-C-E-N-D. Descend. Descend means coming downwards or moving downwards is known as descend. Next one, instinct. I-N-S-T-I-N-C-T. Instinct. Instinct means which we know from before. Okay. Next, justified. J-U-S. Just-T-F-I-E-D. Justified. Justified means making a good, what we call good impact or doing correct things is known as the justification. Companion. C-O-M-P-A-N-I-O-N. Companion means who will accompany us. Okay, so if we are going somewhere, someone will accompany us, right? Our friends or our siblings. They are known as companions. Next, patience. P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. Patience. Patience means you know, having patience. Next, infinite. I-N-F-I-N-I-T-E. Infinite. Infinite meaning is limitless. Unlimited is known as infinite. Next one. Next one is emanating. E-M-A-N-A-T-I-N-G. Emanating. Means coming out. Emanating means what? Coming out or bringing out. 12th one. One second, children. Incredulously. Okay, that means without a belief. Okay, doubtfully. Next, impulses. I-M-P-U-L-S-E-S. Impulses. 14th one, bristles. B-R-I-S-T-L-E-D. Bristled. 15th one. And the last one is despair. D-E-S-S. Despair. So these 15 spell words you write down. Then after that, write down the meanings from the textbook, page number 9. You can see here meanings are there. I'll be reading for you all. First one is snarling. The sound by animals such as especially dogs, making an angry growl, as I already explained you all by writing the spell word. Harness. Ropes or straps fastened around an animal in order to pull a heavy load. So fasten means tying. Okay, when we tie a rope or a belt to the animal to carry the load. That is known as harness. Next, clutches. Tight grasp with the tight hold. Incredulously means doubtfully. Impulse. Sudden desire that makes someone want to do things. Next, bristled. To become soft or tense with anger. Crouched. Lowered the body close to the ground by bending legs. Means with the pain, if we have the pain in our body, we hold our stomach. In our stomach, if we have the pain, we hold our stomach and bend ourselves to the ground level, right? So that is known as crouched. Infinite, having no limits or having no end. Despair, without hope. Then instinct, a natural ability to respond to things. See, we can hear the things because this is instant. Our sense of hearing is instant. We know it already. Emanating, spreading out from a source, giving out. Okay, children. Then next we'll be writing some about 5 opposites. Meanings will be second Roman and the third Roman is opposites. Roman number 3. Opposites. First one, agree. Agree. Disagree. D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E. Disagree. Agree, disagree. Next is infinite. I-N-F-I-N-I-T-E. Infinite. As I already told you, infinite stands for the word which is unlimited. Okay? Or without an end. So opposite for infinite is limited. We have the limited stocks of book. In this way we can use this word. Next, despair. D-E-S-P-A-I-R. Despair. Despair meaning is what, children? Without hope. So opposite of despair is hope. Also we can write, or hopefully. Also we can write, or hopeful also we can write. Next one, fourth one. Pleasing. Pleasing is word fascinating or attractive. So this one opposite pleasing is harsh. Also we can write, or hard also we can write. Pleasing, annoying also we can write, which will give us annoying feeling, which will give us angry feeling. Next, attack. Attacking someone. So attack opposite will be save. Okay? Attack someone or save someone. So these are 5 opposites. Next in the textbook, page number 9. Page number 9, take out this page. This bit, A, the words given below are jumbled. Okay, whatever the letters are given here are jumbled. So that one we have to unscramble it and make it into a perfect word. Then with that word we need to make a sentence. So first one. What is the first one? So after writing it in the textbook, write down in the classwork as well. Everything you should write once in the classwork, twice in the homework children. So while writing in the classwork, this will be make own sentence. Roman number 4. Make own sentence. You need not to write the jumbled letters here. Okay, write directly the word. So first one is vanish. V-A-N-I-S-H. Vanish. Okay. So we'll write the what we call the sentence with the vanish. Vanish means what? Suddenly going out of the sight. Okay. Vanish. The frog vanished behind the, underline the vanish word, vanished behind the bush. You know what is bush, right? A line of plants which have lots of leaves and branches are known as bushes, right? Vanished. The frog vanished behind the bush. So it have run away immediately, fastly. Next, second one. N-A-S-R-L. What does this word means? Snarl. S-N-A-R-L. Snarl means what? Shouting, as I already told you. The dog snarled when the boy touched it. Let's write. The dog snarled. Underline. When the boy touched it. So it gives an angry sound when the boy tried to touch. Third one. Relief he gave, but the word is rifle. R-I-F-L-E. Rifle. The soldier had a rifle in hand. The soldier had a rifle in hand. Okay, children. So now we'll be writing the fourth. We are about 8. Fourth one. Pursuit. P-E-R-S-U-A-D-E. Pursuit. Pursuit means I had to pursued my mom to buy me a chocolate. Okay, to buy me a chocolate or to buy me a cake in this way. I had to pursue my mom to make noodles. Write in this way. Noodles, because we all love to eat noodles. So children, here one correction. Write all the starting letters in as a capital. Sorry, I forgot it. With the fifth one, because we are ending the sentence with full stop, right? So always after the full stop, the next letter should start with capital letter. Then the fifth one is anticipate. Anticipate. Sachin anticipated the short ball. Sachin, a cricket player. Sachin. So anticipate means what? With knowing or by predicting. Here I did not underline your pursuit. Anticipated. We know when what some things we know in beforehand only that this is going to happen. Or when we are going to play lazily or without having much interest, we know that we are going to lose the game. So that is known as anticipated. Sachin anticipated the short ball. Full stop. Sixth one. Crouch. U-C-H. Crouch. She held her stomach and crouched in pain. Just now I told you what is meant by crouch. She held her stomach and crouched in pain. Okay, children. Next comes seventh one. Firearm. Firearm. See, again I am telling you all, you need to unscramble these letters, the question letters, into the proper word, write it here, then form the sentence. Firearm cannot be carried on trains. We cannot carry the guns if we have. Firearms cannot be carried on trains. Okay, now last one, descent. Eighth one, descent. Descent means what? Coming down. We began to descend down the hill. Okay? Sorry again, I wrote the small letter. We began to descend down the hill. H-I-L-L, hill. Okay, there are 8 make-on sentences. After writing the meanings from the textbook, write down opposites, then write make-on sentences. In the next video, we will be writing the question answers. Only this part of question answers will be writing, children. This part is not required. Okay, read and write, learn all the spellings. Bye-bye, take care.